Have you ever heard about this phrase before? Yes, plastic. We use plastics in virtually every shape and form in our daily lives. It carries our drinks, holds our shampoos, and keeps our veggies fresh. Do you know how plastic is made? Plastic is made up by addition polymerization. Polymerization is a process of formation of long molecules from small molecules called monomers. For example, polyethylene, one of the common plastic in our life. The monomers making polyethylene is ethene. At the pressure 1,500 atmospheres to 2,000 atmospheres, ethine that being polymerized at 200 degrees Celsius is known as low-density polyethylene, LDPE. The process is speed up by a little bit of oxygen as catalyst. The high pressure makes the branched polyethylene cannot held tightly together. This causes lower density and lower softening point of LDPE. LDPE is commonly used to make plastic bag, food packaging, dispensing bottle tubing and soft toys. At lower pressure about 5 atmospheres to 25 atmospheres, ethine that being polymerized at 20 to 50 degrees Celsius is known as high-density polyethylene, HDPE. This process is catalyzed by Ziegler-Natta. Polymerization of ethene at low pressure causes linear polyethylene can be held tightly. Hence, the density and softening point of HDPE is higher. HDPE is commonly used to manufacture kitchenware, buckets, bottles, fuel tank for vehicles and water pipes. To turn into its designated products, polyethylene will be shaped by extrusion, molding and pressing process. Although awareness campaigns were held to encourage Malaysians in environment movement, the plastic pollution rate is still worrying high in our country. According to World Wildlife Fund, WWF, report, among the 6 countries being analyzed, Malaysia ranked highest in terms of annual per capita plastic packaging consumption at about 16.8 kilograms per person. Globally, the volume of plastic waste that end up in the ocean is predicted to quadruple between 2010 and 2050. This means that the sea could contain more plastic by weight than fish by mid-century. Can you imagine how much plastic is in the ocean? According to the statistics, 8 million pieces of plastic pollution find their way into our ocean daily. 79% of plastic waste is sent to landfills or the ocean, while only 9% is recycled, and 12% gets incinerated. 269,000 tons of microscopic plastic float on the surface. This is the equivalent of 1,345 blue whales at 500 times the number of stars in our galaxy. Between 4.8 and 12.7 million tons of plastic pieces are dumped into our oceans yearly. 1 garbage truck of plastic is discarded into our oceans every minute. Only 1% of marine litter floats, everything else sinks to the sea floor.